How to enable or disable auto restart on schedule on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on device care. After that, we then scroll down and tap on auto optimization. From here, scroll down and tap on auto restart. Then tap on restart on schedule. Tap on the toggle button and then choose the day that you want to have your phone auto restart. So here at the moment it's set to Saturday at 3 a.m. So you can set the time. You can turn on Sunday as well. So Saturday, Sunday, restart at 3 a.m. And then after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.